In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a dashboard with Google Data Studio. If you're looking to create insightful and visually appealing reports, you're in the right place. Let's get started by navigating to lookastudio.google.com. Once you're there, look for the option to create a new project and click on the plus blank report. This will serve as your starting point, providing a canvas for your data visualization masterpiece. As soon as you open a blank report, you will be prompted to add a data source. This is a crucial step because the data source you choose is the backbone of your entire dashboard. There are various data connectors available, such as Google Sheets, Google Analytics, Google Ads, BigQuery, and YouTube Analytics, to name a few. Depending on what you want to analyze, pick the right connector that best suits your needs. Once you have selected a data connector, it's time to choose the specific account and data set you want to visualize. Be sure to select the right data set, as this will dictate the accuracy and relevance of your dashboard. After making your selection, click Add and then Add to Report to integrate your data into the dashboard. Next, look at the top menu and click on the Insert tab. This opens up a world of possibilities for the types of charts you can include. There are several chart types you can choose from, such as scorecards for key performance indicators, time series charts, bar charts, pie charts, tables, and geomaps. Choose a chart that resonates with the data you're working with and drag it onto your dashboard. Customization is key, so be sure to adjust your chart's dimensions and metrics to tailor your insights. For example, you might want to view data based on date, country, sessions, or revenue. Adjust these settings according to what will provide the most value to your audience. Now let's add some flair to your dashboard by clicking on Theme and Layout in the toolbar. This is where you can personalize elements of your dashboard, such as the background color, font style, layout size, and even the borders and shadows for your widgets. Feel free to get creative with preset themes or create a custom theme to best fit your branding or style preferences. Further, enhance your dashboard's functionality by adding date range control from the Insert menu. Similarly, filter controls like drop-down menus can be added for metrics such as country, device type, or campaign name, offering a layer of interactivity. Lastly, when your dashboard is ready and you're happy with your creation, click the share button to invite others via email. You can also publish your dashboard on websites by clicking File, then selecting Embed Report. And there you have it. Your Google Data Studio dashboard is ready to provide valuable insights in a visually engaging way. Thank you for watching and happy dashboarding.